I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search for Happyform. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select FluentCRM for action. Click Connect to FluentCRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Please check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Go to FluentCRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.